Okay, welcome back. So today we're gonna ride the steer, and we're building the chute. As I just took one panel, and then the panel gate, and then you come up this way, and then he gets locked right there, and then he stays in this area, and then we open the gate, and he bucks out that way.
So you can cut up a siding panel.
Cut up a siding panel too. So we got one right here.
Using your dad's chainsaw.
Using our dad's chainsaw. Where was it? There it is. On the ground. But he's gonna get butchered. So we're just gonna ride him because we're gonna enter in a rodeo and ride him. Oh dang, gotta go up here to make sure that he doesn't get in the chute already. So this is going to be wider, like that wide, probably that wide. So then he can go in, because there's going to be a gate here. Where's that gate? Oh, there it is. That's the gate. It's going to go right here. Annabelle. She's getting tamed. She's actually getting weaned, actually. Oh, yeah. But she's kind of tame right now. She can kind of scratch her. But she just walks away. Right now, she's just looking at the dog. Come on, girl. Look at her. She's nice and beautiful. She has a little white head. Probably should have called her Marshmallow. But we called her Annabelle. Because I guess her head can be a bell or something. But as you can see, let's go over here real quick. We had to take one panel out, and that's actually two, because we had to go all the way down to the mud lot and get some and see that dirt. And see so there's the dirt line, and it goes out to the rim. So that's where the round crow used to be, is right there. The outline used to be all the way along there. Then we had to take two, so now it's, oh, yeah, and she misses her mom. But she can't go to her mom because she's sucking on her. Oh yeah, you like that? Let's try scratching her on the back really hard. Come on. Oh yeah, she likes that. I know, Annabelle. She got like cute little golden ears. I know, gotta be careful, she might kick me. And he will charge me, but even since he's a steer, but he's still charging me, you can kind of scare him away when you're charging him. No more ironing up this, how to drill some holes. This is gonna keep that. He's not gonna. Shh, Annabelle, be quiet. I think she's gonna lose her voice. She's been mooing for like a day now, so I mean 2 days. Come on, girl. But she's gonna get weaned. Let's see. Let's check out the water. I'm gonna have to fill it up. You can see a crack. You have to fill it up to right there. So I pretty much jumped it down. Oh, there's a blueberry in there. What's that? Anyway, he is gonna get rode. We used to have a different chute when I built it, but it was not really safe and stuff. And also, he can stick his head through this and get it stuck in there. It doesn't really, he kind of pulls it out, but then it kind of gets stuck, but he's mean. Okay. Yeah.
Right in the center.
Dad doesn't know what a video camera is.
Center of this, center of that, like bullseye.
There's a crack in it.
Go on one side or the other. You're not going in the crack, are you?
No.
Nice.
Got some posters. We used to have a different idea, and then we scrapped that one. Now we're doing this one, which I think this one's a little better. Look at that chute. He's gonna run up this way.
Right this minute.
He looks like a real rodeo chute.
Not at this minute.
But then, see that log right there? That one? That one's gonna go, I think, right here. That is his whole idea of it. We're gonna lose those pallets. And the pallet what we just cut up, but them too short, and he's bigger than what we expected. Come here. Oh no. We should have bottle fed her to be a little nicer. Wait, hold on. But I don't want to get next to him. He might butt me. Yeah. We want to make sure he's mean so then he bucks. If he doesn't buck, we're going to have to put a flank strap on him. And then he's just going to buck. But we would see you when we get